Uy, may hunks! May nakita akong hunks. Tumatawa mag-isa. Diyos ko God, Gemini. Gusto ko sana sumakay doon, no? Kaso lang, wala akong pamasahe. My God. Gusto ko sumakay doon, kaso wala akong pamasahe. Magala po ako dito. Kaso lang, minsan sa katamaran ko talaga, hindi ako video. Tingnan yung mga outfit natin. Oh, outfitan yan ha. With the cobblestone. Naka-high heel sa cobblestone. Okay, sa totoo lang guys, tama talaga ako mag-vlog. Kaso lang, sayang naman yung view. Tingnan nyo. Yan, dyan. Tapos i-zoom natin yung doon. Doon pala yung, anong tawag nito? The highest, yan dyan, ang highest na waves sa buong mundo po. Umabot yan ng 20 meters. So yan. Tapos dito, ito yon yung Upper Nazaré. You are here in Nazaré, Portugal, guys. So this is one of the most visited area here in Portugal, especially on summer. Yan, yung beach dito walang bayad yan. Pwede kang mag-swimming kung gusto mo yan. And today, there is no such like red flag in the ocean, kasi makikita mo normally, it's a green flag actually. Today is a green flag here in the ocean, kaya yan. So you are allowed to swim, kasi minsan hindi siya allowed mag-swim if it is red flag. Red flag is at your wrist, yung mga ano lang, nakasurf, and orange flag is at your wrist. Ganun siya dito. So tingnan nyo, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng lugar. So yung mga hotels yan dito. Why I am here? Kasi inantay ko yung asawa ko. And then they have here elevated, how do you call that? There, oh. Parang train siya. Elevator. Papunta sa taas. So ganyan. May nakahuhubad doon sa taas, oh. Nagsasampay. Joke lang. Wala akong buang dito nagsasalita. Whatever. Basta ganun. Parang wala kasi ako sa trip. Ayokong mag-vlog. Kaso lang ang ganda ng view. This is the known wave. This is made of cobblestones. Yan, titingnan nyo. So yan. Tapos naka-high heel po ako in the cobblestones. So I will show you. Ayan. Naka-high heel po tayo na naglalakad sa cobblestones. Tingnan. Wala akong sa mood na mag-vlog actually today. Wala talaga ako sa mood mag-vlog today. But it's okay. It's nice. There's a lot of people here. Especially because this is a tourist area, guys. Ang ganda. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Hindi natin pwede tagalin. Tagalin natin yung mukha ng mga tao because it's not allowed to make a videos here. Diba? Ang saya-saya. Oh, tapos ako mag-isa. Kasi yung asawa ko, inaantay ko nga. Yan. This is my bag. Andyan yung mga ano natin, mga kailangan natin. May lotion tayo dyan. O, diba? Ganyan. Tapos may pinaprocess kasi yung asawa ko, kaya pumunta kami dito. Kasi kung sa city namin siya i-process, nandun tayo last time, oh. Yan yung, how do you call that? White lighthouse na sa last videos ko. Tingnan nyo lang sa mga videos ko before. Meron yan dyan, lighthouse. Tapos siguro mainit na. So I think I have to stroll you around. Pero wag lang dito, not here. It's because it's slippery. Ganyan nyo. Ito yung street nila dito. Slippery. So yan. Tapos meron silang nilalagay dyan para makalakad ka naman. Yan. So yeah. Yung mukha ko, mamaya nyo na lang tingnan. Marami nito, tingnan mo. Mga lola, oh. Nagdidet-det ang mga lola. So, I will go and try. Tanda ng view. Wala siya. Hindi siya ka-waves. Ganyan. They are cleaning up the whole nila. Doon see. Oops. Ayan. Ganda. Gusto mo lang umupo-upo. Magtawag dito. Magawa-gawa ng real. O, di ba? Ganyan lang dito. So, wala naman tayong magagawa. Kasi nag-aantay nga tayo. Babalik na ako doon. So, yeah. Pakita na yung mukha natin. Baka sabihin wala naman ako dito. O, diba? So, igala ko kayo. Let's go sa go. Let's walk. Tingin sila sa akin. Nanibago siguro. Nanibago. Naglalakad. Naka-video. O, diba? Edit. Naglilinis sila, oo. Ng kanilang lock. Ganyan sila. Naglilinis. Diba? Uy, may hunks! May nakita akong hunks. Tumatawa mag-isa. Diyos ko, God. Gemini. Pagkita ako na isa. Oh, they have CR, direction, where you can have a restroom. Tingnan nyo. Kaya dito, kasi this is a tourist area, guys. Ayan. Makapag-CR ka. Ay. Tapos ito pala mas church, ano? Ganyan. Church ba siya? Ano ba to? Tapos later, maligaw-ligaw na pala ako. Kasi, I don't know where I'm going. Oh, naglilinis sila. Oh, that's the machine. Tapos yan. Going there, it's a hotel. Ceramics rooms. Yan. Gusto ko sana sumakay doon, no? Kaso lang, wala akong pamasahe. My God. Gusto ko sumakay doon, kaso wala akong pamasahe. Bahala kayo. So, ganyan nandito. Ganyan, yan, nandito sa ating sa lugar natin. Kaso bawal dito ipakita yung mga mukha ng tao, kaya i-blurry natin yun. Blurry. Dito parang square siya. Doon ako galing. Doon ako mamaya. Tinandaan ko yan kasi maglalakad ako papunta dyan mamaya. Balik na tayo sa aking pinanggalingan. Let's walk. Baka sabihin nyo naman na hindi ako gumagala-gala dito. Gumagala po ako dito. Kaso lang, minsan sa katamaran ko talaga, hindi ako nag-video. Tingnan yung mga outfit natin. Oh, outfitan yan ha. With the cobblestone. Naka-high heel sa cobblestone. Oh, ilang beses na pinaulit-ulit yan. So at least, I'm vlogging the place and then I'm promoting also the tourism here. Pero maganda dito. Madaming pumupunta talaga dito. Ayan. Daming mga hotel dito. Mga restaurants. You can also eat here. Daming mga restaurant. Hindi kayo magugutom. As long as you have money in your pocket. Yan. Tingnan nyo guys. Yan. Ganda. Ganda diba? Yan. Restaurant. Oh, diba? Oh, copyright na ko niyan sa music. Makaka-copyright tayo sa music. Guys, hindi sila sanay dito na may nagwa-vlog ha. So, let's just pakapal ng mukha. Wala talaga dito may nagwa-vlog masyado. Wala akong nakita. Sa pag-standby ko doon, when I stand by there sa gilid ng dagat, iisa lang yung nakita ko na nagpa-vlog. As in, wala akong may nakita. Saan ba ako pupunta? Dito ako. I'm lost. Naku. Saan ba ako kanina? Oh my God. I'm lost. Lost in space. Saan ako galing? I'm from here. Okay. Samahan niyo ako maglalakad. So, okay. I have to go straight. I think I have to go straight. My goodness me. That's the back. Doon ako galing sa dagat. Yan, doon ako galing sa dagat. Na yan. Di ba? Ang danda-danda. May lumapit pala sa akin kanina. Lumapit. Nag-shake hands pa. Akala niya siguro Brazilian daw ako. Marunong naman tayo kumonti ng konting Portuguese. So, ayun. Pag-usap yung pipe there. It's nice, no? Naka-high heel. Imagine nyo, guys. Lalakad kayo. Naka-high heel. Saan ba ako? What the... Oh my God! I'm lost. Here. Saan ba ako galing? Okay. Kung saan ka hilit-hilitan. Kung saan din nga hilit-hilitan nag-ano. So, I'm in the right direction. Yeah, okay. Going up. Tatakbo ako. Ayan. Diba? Kala nyo ha? Madaming magandang lugar dito. Kulang lang sa promotion. Yep. Yup. Naligaw na yata ako. Where am I? There. I will turn it off na. So guys, ito yung view ko ngayon na tinatambayan, no? Maganda yan dito. Ouch. Tingnan nyo ha. Maganda yan dito. Ayan. Going to the beach. Going to the zoo. Zoo. Tapos yung parking area, doon lang yan banda. Yan. Yung bag ko dyan. Okay ka lang dyan. Ayan. Tambay-tambay. Pag may time, mukha ako. Kulang sa lipstick. Kulang sa light. Kulang sa ano. Kulang sa pagkain. Nag-vlog-vlog kulang sa pagkain. Ay, God. Nakatingin sila sa akin. So, here we are na guys. Ito yung view natin dito ngayon. Ayan. Kakain na kami. Kasi, there's a bee. A wasp. Pupunta kami ng MCD. Kakain kami ng lunch. Almost 12 na. So, at least, we have done something today.
More
at least, yes. At madali na yun ha. Kasi kung sa ako basa yan, buong araw ka nandun pa rin sa labas. So yeah, we already did a bit. A lot actually. It's already a lot because my husband already visited a lot of offices. At least he was entertained. At least he was entertained properly.
Yes.
With a smile.
Yes. Everywhere with a smile, yeah.
Oh, kasi sa tourist area yan dito eh, kaya ganyan sila dito. So yeah, I will show you the place para makagala naman kayo dito sa Portugal. This is Nasari area, guys. Ito yung mga beach. Yeah, these are apartments that you can rent out. When this means is for sale there on top. You have a nice view. This is where we came from, the parking area. And then dito, madami dito mga apartments na you can rent out if you want to stay here. Kasi malapit na to sa beach. Walking distance lang to sa beach. Oo, kaya ganyan. So, yeah.
So let's see how to drive out of Nazaré now. But that makes the traffic a bit
Different?
strange.
At least you cannot go there, you can go here.
A little bit over.
So, okay, doon tayo galing. Ito na yung lugar na kung saan napaka-busy. Busy yan dito guys, busy. Ito yung lugar na ano sila, lively. Lively yan dito. Madami dito mga Chinese restaurants.
You can turn your left and then go straight and then go down the road.
Where's the exit here?
Yeah, you have to drive here around now.
Kita nyo guys, maraming mga vans dito, mga van dito, mga nagta-travel dito sa Portugal. Dito 'yon. Nagkamali ako, wala palang MCD dito. Nagagalit na yung ating ano.
Go left.
Sige, para makita nyo naman ang view na nilakad ko kanina. Diyan tayo kanina. Ayan. Kasi mag-vlog lang ako. Joke. Ayan, diyan tayo kanina galing. Ay, imagine I was there near, oh. Doon ako galing, oh, sa pinakadulo doon, oh. Ayan, doon ako galing kanina. Naglakad-lakad ako doon. Doon na pala ako galing. Alayo pala na nilakad ko. No. Alayo pala na nilakad-lakad ko. Walking in the beach. At the beach. So, maraming apartment dito. Yun. Pero madami yung farm pa naman
That was
dito.
the road there.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe you cannot
No,
go.
I'm not allowed to turn right.
Ah.
Amazing.
It's okay. It's only 11. What are you 12? Goodness.
I have to go shishi.
Ah, why you don't go shishi before there? I told you. There is a restroom there when we walk.
No, it was on the maintenance.
No, not there, in the street.
Ah, in the street.
That's why I told you, you can go shishi. Yeah, no, later.
Can we go here to the right? I don't know.
Yeah, maybe there is no
Go
sign.
straight. Has to go somewhere. I know there's a road that goes to that road that is coming and going from the Barbarossa in Nazareth.
Naiihi pala eh. Lani na pa sasabi na mag-ano doon. The exit, we've been here before.
That's all I
That's
want.
why I remember.
They should make it a bit more.
There's a house
Easier.
before, no? Can you imagine?
Huh,
That
what?
house.
Yes. What is this here? Bus station, huh?
Yes, this is almost, we're already there.
Okay. Ah, no, it's a health center.
Yeah. You have a nice health center here. Yes, you can go there.
Oh, yeah, no.
Oo. Ayan, naligaw-ligaw tayo. As usual, ligaw-ligaw. At least they open again, no?
Mm-hmm.
The road. After
It's open for us.
after. Yan. Yeah, at least you can go up again here. Before,
Yes,
no?
you can. And thank you.
There are more parking here. Oh, if
Yes.
you really want, no?
Yes.
And only walk there compared to there. You put your
At least we know where all the offices are now here.
no better than
At least when I have to take out my passport or ID, I come there.
she's still there.
Yeah, she's still there.
So better the car will be
Yes,
careful
of
and
course.
jump
I
off.
have to be careful. Yes. Hello. Sometimes it's really better.
That's the clothes of people here, the
Yeah.
Nazareth. That's the statue there. That's how their clothes are. And this is going to Lisbon. That's
Yeah,
Ready
okay.
Express.
It's really expensive.
Red. Why?
Yeah, yeah. Right?
What is that?
Yes, that's correct.
Ah, Pedro is always laughing at me and he don't teach me.
Teach
This is why I don't want to
I don't know.
learn.
Oh, you're crazy. Funny how you say it. 3D Express.
I say ready.
Ah, ready. Ah.
Ready. Like Beatrice. Beatrice is always correcting me too. Even Pedro, she was correcting her papa. What was that? That she, Beatrice is so specific when it comes to things. Don't get wrong with her when you say something. My goodness. Okay na. So we're going to eat at MCD na. Naiihi na tong isa. I don't know what is this. FOAS room.
This is school.
It's a school. They have a nice school. Being closed.
I think it's only the elementary and high school in one.
Secondary, yes.
Yes.
At least at once, no? They have really systematic here.
Yes.
They don't have MCD, but they have Burger King.
How's that? Ah, okay. No, MCD would be okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Still the same.
Ah, yes.
There. Oh, you don't go there.
Yeah, but I don't go. Drive around,
Ay.
you don't know where to go and drive around.
A lot. Yeah. So, dito tayo pupunta, guys. Dito yung Burger King nila dito, guys. Oo. So,
Can turn your head?
maybe. You don't say that you can't. I don't know.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. There's a parking area here too.
You can already park in a wheelchair.
Yes, theoretically, yes, but I want to.
Pwede na siya actually mag-park sa disabled there.
Yes, I
Okay, kakain muna kami. Kasi gutom na. You can go sushi na, Anran.
can.